Thing you know, from December start.
Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making a gingerbread house, me and Gabby. I'm gonna show them my box. Alright, so this is the one that I will be making. She gonna make hers and me gonna make mine. So it shouldn't be that hard, don't it? It can't be that difficult. So yeah, let's go. Alright, let's get started. There's this. That's not so wonderful, but stay with me. Boy, one little gingerbread house and no, we can't start. It's serious. No, sir. Yeah. Bring it down a little. Come on, see what's going on. I know me not start lay foundation. No, sir. The lighting I give me a hard time. But anyways. So how me not get the foundation? And this is my foundation? The board? Yeah. Probably. No. Okay, so number one. Okay. Anyways, first step, need our massage white icing pouch for 2 minutes to make icing more fluid and adhesive. When ready to assemble, remove cap from icing pouch and snip the tip 1/4 inch from in. Alright? Let's do that. For 2 minutes, so 108. Let's go. Need our massage. Alright, step 2. Arrange your house pieces face down. Alright, so let me arrange the pieces there now. So the pieces are arranged. Pipe a zigzag line of icing on bottom and along the side edges of each front and back panel. Pipe a zigzag line of icing on bottom of each side wall. Cardboard base may be used as a surface for the house. Okay, so I'm not gonna do what the box is. Why this feel like a exam practical? Me I do. Gabby, I know me not do nothing at all. Face down. Pipe zigzag line of icing on bottom and along the side edges. Yo, John Star, I never know this was so hard. I may overthink it. Oh, and the bottom of this. Bill what? They still put on icing. Place back panel upright. A foolishness for doing that. I don't know what I sit down. Place back panel upright. Gabby, we need some help. This is not going to drop out. For Jamal, amigo. Maybe right here? Yeah, but you can't glue them all at once. You have to, because then how you gonna, oh God. Shambles. This is I'm confused, wait. Them the other side. The other side? Yeah. Okay. But it look like it's up there on the bottom of that, no? Because it's going to stick on the board. No. Wait. You didn't do this right, hold on. I don't know. One little gingerbread also now? The tail, the manga part, the upwards. Okay. But me I say look like me put it under the bottom so it can stuck on the base.
No, because it's supposed to stick to the house itself.
Oh, okay.
It looks like if you made this dry.
It dry? Bomba! Oh, make that happen.
Because you can't glue them like this, you have to glue it and stick.
Alright, so clearly me not make no sense. Redo. That must start. One look at gingerbread also, I can't get it right. It's coming like, if look a breeze blow the whole stump.
Really, why is it so dry?
Put the shell off like eggshell. What the hell? This is sad.
Use some gingerbread or shit like that.
Guys, it don't look good at all. This is hard. No, I'm gonna have to show them so the oats turn over again. The oh. No, come to me. Unacceptable.
No, I'm not doing for this.
It can't do. Is it? I need the negativity.
No, it can't do it. You say I get my icing kind of wet. But I can't do that.
One little gingerbread also now? I'll touch up this one.
You know, this thing will fly in the
Oh.
Eh?
I've got to clap it on right how we done. Can't afford to try out. Sorry that fast Gabby before this trip. The only thing I give me anxiety, I swear. Me tired of it. Give me. house foundation and everything.
Look at that. Look at that. You know how much money for them house, yeah? You know how much money for them house, yeah? Hold on. You hear me at table? Look how much money for them house, yeah? You gotta be honest, so look.
Yeah.
See, like the house look like it's soon turn over.
No,
No,
it is. Oh shit.
it have pulver down. I tell you. Yo, don't know, I'm stressed out. No, for real, like, I feel like it a give me real anxiety, you know, like, my belly, I feel like I want to go to the toilet. No, seriously. Because, wait, no, it is. It a fall apart again.
Alright, take off this.
No, you can't check up on it. Don't
Take off the bar. Okay.
No, no.
I signed this. No. Seriously? I feel like crying. Alright.
Rewind and come again.
I tell you, boy. The house turn over. What the next piece of the house there? Oh. Alright, here we go again. Yeah, wipe off yourself. God, please not make it broke away. No ball, you know, seriously. No, my next to tears. No, seriously, I'm not even laugh. It's enough. I'll make it dry now. Style and technique, you know. You have to know how to do them things. Hey, you must have said firm up a little bit, you know. Oh, stop time now. If you drop down this time, I saw you know, body not gonna have nowhere to live. Gabby, come here. Squeeze some at the top. Because if it tumble down this time, I eat that and I'm not building no more house. Gingerbread man, I'm have to go sleep outside. Alright, so gumdrop candy, holiday lights, peppermint ball, holly and berry candy. Hey, my friend, you don't think I broke it? Alright, so all of that salt on my shoulder. That's that so far. We can't even drink the Hennessy. Oh, for real. That's why good for reading, This supposed to help with the roof of the house. No. It is called a roof helper. It says add roof panels to house peaks. Hold it in place for 1 minute. Pipeline of icing down center of roof. Hold it in place for 1 more minute. Flex the roof helper above the house by gently pulling one side forward and the other back. Hook one side under the roof between 2 windows, then hook the other side. Alright, that's not too much.
You don't start it,
What do you mean I not start yet? So my house drive. But then you live here, I don't want the negativity up here, so you're telling you. This is to me comfy.
the icing done.
My icing done. Hey, leave me alone. It's the door time. Alright, well, please don't try, please. Wrong side of the. Hey, pour me. Hey! And look what I'm doing. At the party, I'm should have glue, and put paste on this. I'm gonna put the smooth part around it. Listen, at this point. Now I say tacky bad. Because of my nails. Never sign up. Oh. Alright. Getting somewhere. Listen to me, no, it's not the time. The girls man so we full of technique, make me feel like it's funny now, R.I.P. Come down in the phone them. They never give you up. Can't put one of this yourself. Shopping at home. What money down, what's this? Set up a boy in a place. Alright, here we are. This is horrible. I make this still like style. You know, like when snow fall and then it drip
and then it freeze. Yeah, you get the point. That was your custom built. You understand someone that need a negative comments them in the comment section, please. It's fine. I'm not gonna cry. Alright. What are some of the name again for the old stuff and Santa slide down in it? Chimney, yes. Thank you. Jesus. Guys, this is how it's looking so far. I'm not sure how I've gone so far. So I'm gonna do this side now, and then we're showing on the finishing. Them they're pepper light. Alright guys, so the gingerbread house there. So what am I gonna do now? So I'm gonna change the file, make it look a little cleaner, and then show you the finishing. I think that's it. I'm gonna have no more time with some butter make backside. Anyways, this is the end of making my gingerbread house. And I can't say it was a struggle, but I did my best. So, time for the finale. Okay guys, so this is Gabby's gingerbread house. I think it's so cute. And she get a gingerbread. Me never get a gingerbread. Yeah, this is cute. And this is mine. Clearly me has a Christmas. Yes, this is my gingerbread house. And listen, I know you know comments about this, because if you don't know style, you know say snowfall and it get icy right here, so and it just freeze and stop this up. So I don't hear it. The windows, you know what I watch, you know what I watch your window them. Mind your business. Yeah, my little Christmas trees, I don't know what I'm to them Christmas tree. Them just decide so them don't want to stay up. Pepper lights, my little Christmas tree at the top. Ball them at the top, you know the vibe. Period. Gabby one cuter still. Gabby one look more put together. So yes guys, this is it. This was really fun. Yeah. So yeah. And see Bob the Builder here. Listen, this was harder than I expected. I'm not gonna like. I mean, I say, like, God, I want to look at gingerbread house. We work on them for probably like 3 hours, because we start after 1 and after 3 now. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, or like 2 hours. Anyways, but yeah, it take long. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Open our laugh because a beer madness happen, as one can see. But at one point I didn't want to cry still, because I don't like difficulties, you know. This situation could have simple. And probably say, oh, look at gingerbread house, I make a ball for. Listen, my eye get water because why am I build a house and the house fall? Anyways guys, that's it for this video. Yes, so
These are the gingerbread houses, and I'm the builder. The other builder, there's somewhere in the house. So yeah, that's it. I'll start talk slow because I'm so tired. It's coming like me that build one real house and I'm not liking it. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Evil, you for them put a group up on us. Glocks everything that chip up like goof.